Okay, so we are unboxing a pair of headphones today. These are the Beyerdynamic DT990 Edition stereo headphones. Be a quick unboxing as it's a fairly simple box and contents. Your enjoyment, your music, your Beyerdynamic. These are open back headphones, dynamic headphones. This is a particular model which is, let me see if where's the marking. There's the technical specifications down the bottom there. 290 grams. It comes in a range of impedance. This particular series is the 600 ohm, as you can see there. So you have 32, 250, 600 ohms. I do not recommend getting the 600 ohms unless you have a high power amplifier which is rated for 600 ohms. Basically, if you don't know what 600 ohms is or how that works with your amplifier, either do more research on it or just get the 32 ohm series. Okay, so that is the box out of the way. Flip it over. Beyerdynamic. There you go. You get a little placard here. Experience unique products. Looks like just some marketing spiel. That's that. Disclaimer before we open it. I have actually opened these already, but the unboxing is so simple that I'll just point it out. Basically, the cable, which you'll see in a sec, was in a plastic bag, and I've just uncoiled that and tested these headphones. So there we go. So this is the cable, which is in a little bag. It comes with a 1/8 inch adapter, and then you have the standard 3.5mm terminal. So it's just a screw-on adapter, like so. There we go. So we'll just put the cable out first, and these are the headphones themselves. Quite light initially, and they are adjustable like that, and they sit on your head. These are velour ear cups, which are very soft, very new, very comfortable. A bit of sticky tape from the plastic bag earlier, and you have a soft fake leather, PU leather headband liner there. Stainless steel construction. So these are the DT990s, which are open back, and during a quick listening test yesterday, they are quite transparent, so there is a lot of sound leakage out the back, so maybe not the best option if you are living with others. But in this case, these are fine. I prefer open back, but that is personal preference. If you prefer a closed back or semi-closed back, check out the DT880s. And then you have a guarantee manual. Won't go through that. They're just headphones, really. And then you have the requisite silica gel. Little 140 sticker in there, not sure what that's for. And that is basically it. It comes in a nice case, travel case, if you want to move these around, but I don't plan on doing so, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that. And maybe just another quick note, these are the edition versions. There is the DT990 Pro, I believe, which are much more affordable, but they're more reference class for music production. These are more orientated towards listening enjoyment. There are some colorway special editions. I think they do a dark black one and maybe a chrome edition as well. But apart from that, I'll leave that at that for this unboxing of the DT990 editions.